Hey, welcome to day 6 of my video diary of my total knee replacement of my left knee. Hopefully you found some of the earlier videos useful and you're still hanging around to see if I've got any thing to share that might be useful for you. Well, so anyhow, day 6 is what I'm going to call reality check time. I still have swelling. Bruising is much more noticeable. And I had a PT appointment and I was showing it to Murray, the Aussie PT guy I mentioned in an earlier video. And he kind of laughed and he was just like, "Oh, I've seen worse." And he said, before this is over, that swelling is going to go, all around the back of my thigh, down the back of my calf, and all the way down into my foot. Now, to get a little gory, the thing to keep in mind here is your leg was put into a tourniquet. Well, my leg was put into a tourniquet for almost an hour. Think about all the fluids that don't get to move and are just stuck there. And the kind of, traumatic damage that gets done to your leg while it's in a tourniquet for an hour or almost an hour. So it was, on the one hand, a little reassuring that, Murray had seen worse and he thought I was average. And to also kind of reiterate that point, I was pretty fortunate that the guy on the table right next to me, he had his right knee done by Dr. Vaughn 6 months earlier. And he was kind enough to show me the bruising that he had left. And so I'd say it was about the size of maybe a grapefruit. And I wouldn't say it was like deep purple, dark red or whatever, but it was still noticeable. And so that was noticeable after 6 months, and he was still doing PT. So the reality check hit that, this would probably take about 6 months to recover from. Now, I just once again want to leave you with the thought of the glass is half full, right? Because you think about how much time you spent, or I spent, with knee pain, the fact that, hey, it's going to get 6 months to get back to, well, not get back to, but get to where you are much better than you had been for the past several years, and in my case, the past 12 years. That is a kind of nice thought. Now, are there still kind of bumps in the road, moments when you wake up in the middle of the night with, swelling and pain and stiffness? Yeah, but, you got to keep your eyes on the prize. Glass is still half full. It's going to take about 6 months. And so hopefully this serves as a reality check for you, all you guys too. Hang in there. All right, talk to you again.